Good morning. It's only 7 a.m. in the morning. At yung anak ko ay gising na. He's playing. Ayan. Yung anak ko gising na. So, I let him play. Kasi naramdaman ko na bumaba siya ng bed. He was playing on the floor. So, that's it. Mag-aayos muna ako. And I will prepare our breakfast. I'm preparing oatmeal for Patrick. It's not easy to feed a baby, toddler like him. So hirap. So kulit. Tama oatmeal. I put oatmeal up close, Rishi. Spoon. Huh? I thought around 1 month, 2 months, it's hard to take care of baby. To be honest, toddler time is so hard to take care of baby. Around 1 year up to now, it's so hard to take care of baby. Picky eating. He don't like to eat a lot. He like to eat some foods that like fruits. Sometimes he don't like other foods that I prepare. Kahirap. Sometimes I'm really stressed what to do. And I just read it's normal that babies around 1 year to 2 years or 3 years, it's really hard to feed a baby. So I'm preparing our breakfast. Yes, bread. And what's this? Ham. We call it salam in Czech Republic. Shunka. No salam. Sorry, shunka. Ham and shunka. So just butter. I like it toasted. And hot. Just like this. By the way, here in Czech Republic, they don't like to eat rice in the morning. Yes, bread, yogurt, eggs, ham, salam, just more on breads. But in the Philippines, we can eat rice morning, in lunch, and also in lunch, and also in dinner. But here in Czech Republic, then they don't do that. They eat rice during lunch. So here in Czech Republic, we don't eat rice in the morning and evening. So living here for 6 years, I also follow them, but it's not bad. Sometimes if I have visitors, like friends, Filipino friends, I'm eating rice in the morning because I do prepare, we call it fried rice. I really eat in the morning. Iniinit ko siya kasi lasang pandesal. Pandesal. Pandesal is also bread in the Philippines. We eat it during morning. So here's our bread. Bread natin. So next will be the egg. Ham. I'm done. So, ayan na yung food for breakfast. Simple food lang yun. Here guys, we're eating now. So, ito yung pika-pika ni Patrick. Film this. So, while I'm feeding him, ayan siya. Wala nang ano yan. Kasi ayan. Susubuan ko pa rin. Kasi, para makakain siya. Lalaroin niya lang to eh. So, diskarte na lang. Tsaka matututo din naman yan pag lumaki. Ayan guys. Ayan si Padre de Pamela. He's eating now. Ayan, food namin. Breakfast. Sana isa. Nandun na ayan, simple breakfast namin. One week, one time. Or two times a week, and about 3 times a week.
So, kunya kita nung nasalitiran nung kita na warwarna yun.
No. If he can, I think, maybe they will ask the pediatrician. Okay?
So,
so maybe healthy na ba niya?
natin. Ya kasupon min kay. Sorry, tang odin no harako. Odin no harako.
What do you think? You go to daycare center? Huh? What do you think? Fish.
Nana bim datang puras nim datang puras Patrick em.
What are you doing, Patrick? He's busy playing. Patrick, oh. And Papa is also busy. Huh? Patrick? Look. Be.
No. No.
Amos mo, you look like homeless na naman ah.